So today, I'm going to be talking about the taker Vine, the Vine coin, to that of token, the oldest one, what we mark, in the last 24 hours. I took a pause here. We're going to watch the video, and then I'll explain exactly my trade. And right now, we are on the pullback. I exited. I took profits, and I'm going to re-enter the trade. I'll explain my perspective, and I'll explain my trade. Before we go any further, you absolutely must look at what the Vine coin is. You click on it, and when you click on it, we're making a meme coin. So we take the address here. What I personally recommend is to go check out Twitter, obviously, X. As you can see here, it's a group. We don't have an official page. It's this one. So how many followers does this person have? They have 83,000 followers. They explain, and, well, we don't really understand. Actually, what I did was I put in the taker, the Pia's Vine pool, and then I started to understand what was going on. We can see that this person, they are someone who has already created a lot of tokens. So if there's a big community behind it, then if you scroll down a bit, you can see the next step and say that the next 500 million in market cap is coming. If you scroll down a little here, this person, how many followers do they have? They have 270,000 followers. So you see, how does this work? It's a hype that's being created. And what happens afterwards? It goes on to Dex Screener. And then I'm going to explain to you how to trade it on Dex Screener. If you want to trade it and you don't have a bot, because it's a bit complicated on Dex Screener, you can trade it on BitGet here. Super easy, super easy. Link at the bottom of the video. You see here, and you click here.
On BitGet, you'll have a lot of memes before everyone else. And the linked exchanges are Bitmart. You can take one or both platforms with the bonuses you see. You message me here and I'll add you to the team, Crypto-Quebec, with the trader team. We are 500 num right now, and everyone is achieving results. If you want to know more, it's meme coins that are interested in joining the team. Meme Coin Academy, the best program for memes. 4 hours of training, all the tools explained. So, if you want to know more, all the tools are in the description. I don't know if you'll appreciate this video. I don't know if you'll make profits with this meme. That's it, a meme coin. I thank you very much and see you soon.